discussed.
Your Excellency, as if you expect to have a different answer, which is not possible. So, Governor Muthoni Njuki, by close of next week, we'll have bought all the dengus from the county, from Makueni, and from Kitui, and from Embu at the right price. So we need to have a conversation around that price. And why I'm very happy, this is a very good problem to have. Because a few weeks ago, we came to you because we didn't have food in this country. And you told us, just guarantee me that you'll buy, these people are human tractors. And you have proven that they are real human tractors. So by close of next week, I'm going to dispatch my teams, and once we agree on the price, we'll mop up all the dengus. And that should be the trend for future, for the cotton, for the pyrethrum, for anything. It is not our fault. It is not the farmers' mistake that they are too hardworking. We have to do what we need to do as a government. Thank you. Asante.
Okay. So when we finish this meeting, I expect a meeting between Governor Muthoni,